For similar right triangles, you want to set up proportions, which is a fraction equaling a fraction. But a lot of times these are combined images where you have to split them apart into two separate right triangles. Here's what I mean. We have a right triangle here. So let me come out to the side and draw that. And I'm not an artist, so I'm just going to sketch real quick. So we've got 5 and x. And then, if you look carefully, we have a larger right triangle right here. So I'm going to go ahead and sketch that out. And that is 5 units tall. But if you look at the length of that, it's actually both of these numbers. You've got to add them together. So 7.5 plus 5 is 12.5. Now after you have them put together in separate triangles, then watch this. You can actually make fractions out of those numbers. So 5 over x equals 12.5 over 5. Now you want to take the numbers that are diagonally across from each other, you want to multiply those, 5 times 5, and divide by the number that's not circled. So 25 divided by 12.5 is 2. So x equals 2. That's when you have a triangle within a triangle. Okay, now these, you've got to actually kind of flip this top one around. The bottom one is perfect. So I technically don't even need to re-sketch that one. Let's make the top one look like that. Okay, now across from the box is 7.5. And that means if I'm going to make it look like this one, that the other number would go in the bottom, 4.5. So there's my fractions. So I have x over 3 equals 7.5 over 4.5. The numbers that are diagonally across from each other are 7.5 times 3. And divide by the number that's not circled, divided by 4.5. And when you figure that out, you get 5. So x equals 5. Okay, the next one, this one's kind of flipped, and this one's backwards. So let's redraw them both. Okay, we don't know across from the box, so the height is x, and the bottom is 2.5. Now when you draw your other one, whatever's on the same line as x, that goes where x is, and then the other one goes on the bottom, like this. So I have x over 2.5 equals 6 over 3. So I'm going to do 6 times 2.5 divided by the number that's not circled, divided by 3, and I'm going to get 5.